Okay, everyone. My name is Germán Antonio Tomedagua. In this occasion, I want to present my little job about language form and functions. Task 6, final exam and word formation. Germán Antonio Tomedagua. Tutor Andrés Orlando Blanco. December 2019. Okay, in this occasion, I choose the topic derivation. The addition of a word forming a fix is called derivation. The addition of a derivation affix to a root produces a new word with one or more of the following changes. Okay, a phonological change including stress change, reduce, reduction, clear, clarify, fuse, fusion, include, inclusive, drama, dramatic, relate, relation, permit, permissive, impress, impression, electricity, photograph, photography. Unorthographic change to the root pity, pitiful, Denny, Daniel, happy, happiness. A semantic change which may be fairly complex, husband, husbandry, event, eventual, post, stage, recite, emerge, emergency, and or a change in a word class, eatable, impress, impression. In English, derivational affixes are either prefix or suffix. They may vary deriving from Old English or frame borrowed along with a word from a foreign language, especially French. Their productivity may range from very limited to quite extensive depending upon whether they are preserved in a few words or no longer used to create a new word, or whether they are found in many words still used to create a new word. An example of unproductive suffix is the ta in warmth, width, depth, or width. An example of a productive suffix is able, in available, unthinkable, admirable, or honor. Okay, in this occasion, I want to show the table 4.5 semantic classes of prefixes in English. We have prefixes of time. For example, pre-arrange, presuppose, pre-head, hit, after shock, after thought, after glow. We have prefixes of number. Three, tricycle, triannual, consonant, multinational, multilingual, multimillionary. We have prefixes of places. In fire, impatient, ingrown. Interconnect, interbreak, interlaced. Other prefix of degree, super, sensitive, superstitute, superheat, over-anxious, overconfident, overdue. Other prefixes are amoral, unpolitical, unsymmetric, unlocked, anti, and fault. Prefix of negation, unafraid, unsafe, unwise. Antisocial, anti-thirst, anti-war. Prefixes of size, macro, cos, microchip, microfield, mini skirt, minivan, mini minimal. The prefixes given in the table 4.5 after, in, of, and an are native English, but pre, inter, super, and mini are Latin. 3, micro, and anti are Greek. Well, other topic we have is suffixes. Suffixes have two functions: to change the meaning of the root and to change the part of speech of roots. Many suffixes attached to nouns to change their meaning but not their class. The diminutive suffixes link, let, and ia, princeling, prig, daddy, howdy. The feminine suffixes s, et, ris, in, actress, angeret, ambitrix, heroine. The abstract suffix ship, hoodism, friendship, neighborhood, hoodlums. Suffixes nothing people, an, east, air, Librian, Texan, Canarian, Marxist, Londoner. Okay, finally, the false morphology division of a word may result in more or less productive success, which one scholar call splinters, or as in the following: hamburger, for example, cheeseburger, fish burger, mushroom burger, veggie burger. Other is alcohol, workaholic, alcoholic, Frenchholic, Other are marathon, workathon, ton, smarton, workathon. Other topic is panorama, autorama, mororama. Okay. Other is cavalcade, awacade, motorcade, helicopter, helidrome, helistop. Okay, friends and mate, to talk everyone. This topic is really important, but I try to do the job the more short a little. That's all. Thanks very much for listening me.